Discover 3 incredible pelvic floor stretches that could revolutionize your well-being. Effortless yet potent, these moves can invigorate your core strength and bring balance to your body. Embrace newfound flexibility and a vibrant energy that could transform your life. Here are 3 life-changing stretches for your pelvic floor, explained step by step. Number 1. Deep squat. Stretch. The deep squat stretch, a versatile exercise, holds immense potential for alleviating lower back pain and improving overall flexibility. This stretch primarily targets the pelvic floor muscles, hip flexors, and lower back, offering a comprehensive release of tension and stiffness in these areas. To execute the deep squat stretch, begin by standing with your feet hip-width apart and slowly lower yourself into a deep squat, ensuring your back remains straight throughout. This posture promotes a gentle stretching of the muscles in the lower back and pelvis, effectively reducing the tightness that often contributes to discomfort. Regular practice of the deep squat stretch can lead to increased flexibility and enhanced mobility in the lower body. By consistently engaging in this stretch, you may experience improved blood circulation, which aids in the alleviation of muscle tension and the promotion of a healthier range of motion. Deep squat stretch offers a holistic lower body workout, engaging the pelvis, hips, and lower back. It enhances balance and flexibility, targeting tight areas often causing lower back pain, and boosts core strength. This stretch also promotes improved digestion and helps open up the hip joints, making it an excellent exercise for those seeking lower back pain relief while enhancing overall physical well-being. Additionally, this stretch helps to strengthen the muscles surrounding the pelvis and lower back, contributing to improved posture and stability. The deep squat stretch encourages the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers, which can effectively alleviate lower back pain and promote a sense of overall well-being. By integrating this stretch into a daily routine, you can foster a stronger, more resilient lower body, leading to reduced discomfort and a more active, pain-free lifestyle. Number 2. Butterfly stretch. As we continue, kindly subscribe to this channel if you are finding this video helpful. Thank you. The butterfly stretch, renowned for its efficacy in enhancing lower back health, works by gently engaging the pelvic floor muscles, inner thighs, and lower back, fostering a deep release of tension and improving overall flexibility. To perform this stretch, sit on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to fall to the sides. Gently press your knees toward the ground, feeling a subtle stretch in your inner thighs and lower back. This stretch effectively targets the muscles responsible for maintaining proper posture and spinal alignment, promoting increased blood flow and oxygenation to the lower back region. By incorporating the butterfly stretch into a regular exercise regimen, you experience a gradual reduction in lower back pain, as the gentle stretching action helps to alleviate muscle tightness and improve flexibility. The butterfly stretch encourages the relaxation of the pelvic muscles, subsequently easing pressure on the lower back and promoting improved range of motion. Butterfly stretch encourages inner thigh and lower back muscle engagement. The stretch works to alleviate tightness and discomfort in these areas, aiding in lower back pain reduction. Regular practice improves hip flexibility and helps maintain proper spinal alignment. Beyond the physical benefits, it promotes mental relaxation and stress relief, contributing to a more balanced and serene state of mind. Consistent practice of this stretch can also contribute to a heightened sense of relaxation and stress relief, as the mindful breathing associated with the stretch fosters a calm and centered mental state. Overall, the butterfly stretch serves as an essential tool in the pursuit of a pain-free, agile lower back and a more balanced, holistic well-being. Number 3. Bridge pose. The bridge pose is a fundamental yoga posture renowned for its ability to strengthen the lower back and promote flexibility in the spine. To execute this pose, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, then lift your hips upward to create a bridge-like shape. This position engages the muscles in the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, providing a comprehensive stretch that helps alleviate lower back pain and improve overall spinal health. The bridge pose effectively targets the muscles surrounding the spine, stimulating blood flow and oxygenation to the lower back area, which aids in reducing stiffness and tension. Regular practice of this pose can lead to increased muscle strength and enhanced stability in the lower back, consequently contributing to better posture and reduced discomfort. The bridge pose encourages the development of core strength, fostering a stable foundation that supports the spine and reduces the risk of future injuries. By actively engaging in this pose, you experience an improved range of motion in the back and hips, promoting flexibility and agility in daily movements. Bridge pose strengthens the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, making it a powerhouse for spinal health. It enhances blood circulation in the lower back, leading to reduced stiffness. A strong core and stable base are developed through this pose, improving posture and preventing future injuries. The controlled breathing enhances relaxation and overall well-being, promoting a pain-free, agile lower back and a sense of balance in daily life. Additionally, the controlled breathing associated with the bridge pose promotes relaxation and stress relief, cultivating a sense of overall well-being and balance. Incorporating the bridge pose into a regular exercise routine can pave the way for a stronger, more resilient lower back and a healthier, pain-free lifestyle. Incorporating these 3 life-changing pelvic floor stretches into your daily routine can pave the way for a transformative journey towards improved well-being. By embracing the deep squat stretch, butterfly stretch, and bridge pose, you can cultivate a stronger core, enhanced flexibility, and a heightened sense of vitality. These stretches not only target key muscles in the pelvic region, but also contribute to alleviating lower back pain and fostering overall physical resilience. With regular practice, you can unlock a newfound sense of balance, flexibility, and inner strength, setting the stage for a more vibrant and fulfilling lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share your comment, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell button for notification, and also check the link below for the playlist on this topic. There are more information you wouldn't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.